Dear friends, for the month of May, the month of Mary, let us meditate daily on the invocations of her litany, Daily Litany to Our Lady. Please donate to help us restore Mary's Church in Belfast, the Church of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. Go to gofundme.com/restore-immaculate. Let us crown Our Lady this May as the Queen of Heaven and Earth. Fifth consideration, Christe exaudi nos. Christ, graciously hear us. The Lord heard me. First point. This picture represents Christ in the remonstrance as the Son, beaming all his effulgent rays upon Mary. Those rays are emblematical of the graces which God pours out copiously upon Mary, and which through Mary he abundantly dispenses amongst us. But why does he adopt this course? For this reason, that we may know that Mary is, as it were, the door of grace, and consequently that grace may be obtained with the utmost facility by all those who knock at this gate. That is to say, by all those who solicit grace from God through the Mother of God, and who earnestly implore through Mary, Christ, graciously hear us. Second point. It is quite certain that if a subject be ambitious to obtain a concession from his king, his effort to secure the favor is most likely to be crowned with success if he can prevail upon the queen to undertake with her own hand to present the memorial or petition to his majesty. This picture is emblematical of circumstances similar to these. It represents Christ giving audience and graciously receiving several petitions to which he, as it were, attaches the signature of his fiat, and which Mary then, to the great gratification of her clients, dispatches by heavenly messengers announcing to them, "The Lord heard me," or in other words, "O my clients, the favors you have petitioned for just now, or those you may hereafter desire to petition for, if you forward the petitions through me, they shall be all conceded you. If you petition for health, fiat, and you shall have it. If for wealth, fiat, you shall have it. If you petition for the gift of chastity, fiat. If you petition for your comfortable maintenance in life, fiat. All shall be granted to you." Third point. We should clearly understand, however, that it is not sufficient to supplicate once or twice through Mary, Christe exaudi nos, Christ, graciously hear us, but we should persevere in supplicating till eventually we are heard. One sprinkling shower is not sufficient to saturate the earth with the nutritious moisture necessary to render it productive of abundant fruits. Neither does the first supplication immediately arrest the attention of God, for he tells us expressly by his apostle that we must pray unceasingly, pray always. Then if our prayers be not heard instantly, reiterate them. If the door be not open after knocking once, knock again, and knock louder, and most certainly it will eventually be opened. Prayer. O Lord Jesus Christ, who whilst dwelling didst hear and graciously hear the prayers of those who appeal to thee, and who even now, while seated at the right hand of the Father, grantest aid and grace to all those who humbly supplicate for them. Hear, I implore of thee, my prayers also, and grant that my love of thee may continually increase, that my devotion to thy mother may be continually augmented more and more, and that the flame of charity for my neighbor may ever burn more and more ardently. That I may secure the possession of these three gifts, again I supplicate for them through Mary. Christ, graciously hear us. If you have enjoyed this meditation, please donate to help us restore Mary's Church in Belfast, the Church of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. Go to gofundme.com/restore-immaculate. Let us crown Our Lady this May as the Queen of Heaven and Earth. May God bless you for your generosity.